The cloud castle, a beacon of magic, shimmers high above the world, its spires piercing the heavens. In her cloud-spun chamber, Iris awakens, a crystal wand clutched in her hand, ready to start a new day. With a radiant smile, Iris calls out, "Come, dear friends, let's paint the sky." Before Iris, 7 figures materialize, each a vibrant hue of the rainbow. Red radiates courage, orange exudes joy, yellow shines with hope, green brings freshness, blue embodies calm, indigo represents mystery, and violet radiates kindness. United, they stand ready as Iris raises her wand, preparing to unleash a powerful force. Across the vast expanse above Earth, a vibrant rainbow bursts forth, born from the united essence of the color fairies. With a gentle wave of her wand, Iris sends a cascade of colored sparkles drifting down towards the dreaming children below. The sparkles, imbued with bravery, joy, hope, peace, calm, mystery, and kindness, settle softly, leaving behind a sense of wonder and serene tranquility.